ha gabe ha hona nix a etsang
Sifiso mathata ha o keng sa support ngwana ha kana
hayi tana ukuthi ngemsupport kimi uthini
dlala amadayisi batshele
amadayisi ngiyawadlala uwadlala ne but then ayikuthi ngisupport umntana ngeke ngihlule kusupport umntana
keng bothata re jotse bothata he
first things first ne before athi ukhulelwe ngomntanami
yeah
beka busy nomunye umjiki
hayibo
awusimbali
sinamanga ngitshela ukuthi umngani wami mtshelo loyo
lalela ngikhuluma ngisho bakulalela beka busy nomunye umjiki
machine, stay calm. Don't the machine, it repeat it keys or a 2-piece, forget no matter the kitchen. Them pillow is a costa, go get nama Ulster.
Hi guys, it's your girl Princess Brownie here. As you can see, we're outside guys. Kufumane another email from OmoNewsCC. We tlo resolve the issues tsa faceaneng le tsona. It's about baby daddy ya hae re buditse tse ngata, but then guys, stay tuned. You'll find out hore we tsalang ka yena. So please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yes sir. Hello, Ausi. Ka lebitso ko wena ma?
ke Tshepang
Wa ko kae kopa go jwetse more about yourself because re thotse email from wena o re ngolletse ko Origination TV, so re batla utlwa hore mathata ha o keng ela e o llang ka yona ha kana because it's related to your baby daddy. So can you please give us a full story about what's going on with your baby daddy?
okay, so ke Tshepang from Fianeng ko Tembisa. Ke na le bothata ka baby daddy ya ka. Baby daddy ya ka support ngwana.
Oh yeah,
so that's why ke le ngoletse because ke le bone ko social media go la thusa ka batho ba if o sokola ka baby daddy ya hao. So baby daddy ya ka e dlala madaisi support ngwana yo.
So wena o ka rata ha re ka o thusa jwang hore resolve this matter that you currently facing because ke ke bothata bo boholo na hana madaisi a tlamelo support ngwana.
I think ha le ka bua le yena o ka ba something ke gola ha ke mo expose ke mo atla bang bete
atla change ne. So nana hore re ka mo thola jwang, like the number tsa hae, or how are we gonna contact him, or re ka nna ga lo mthola mo madaisi mo, like
yeah, I think I go madaisi because usually ke mo atleza leng ko teng.
So ka re bontsha go ke go ka madaisi.
Yes, ke tla le bontsha.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Ausi, so wa bana no tsena ga gona mo thola madaisi, so nana hore re tlo mo thola kae mo re yang teng o jo ha holo hore re tlo mo thola
Ke shosho cause ke ba dulang ko teng.
o ye ka se ya hae
Hauna, there's no way mele re mo fumane.
so ya ha ka to mo thola re o tletsala eng le tlo lokisa ditaba le tlo bua jolo ka batho ba baholo le bue ka baka la ngwana, or what are you guys gonna do?
Honestly, I still love him ne.
Still love him?
Yeah, ena ntse ke mo rata re ka lokisa but as long as support ngwana. I
Thoe
think-
batlang fela go ra support ngwana.
between social worker or maintenance, but as long as to support ngwana.
Okay.
Because no ke sutla ke le one
Ne, ya ke
yes.
ona ha.
And ka no go rentse ngwana re
Le babedi ya.
So no, that's not fair for me.
Okay, re tlo zama ho thusa hore o thole solution to your problem, and I hope le ba sharp for the sake of ngwana because ngwana nka se safari because of diketso tsa batswadi ba hae wa bo, because o need both parents.
E ka re ke ena ola wait.
Ke ena o ha re re molate tjo. Ha re
ke nahana ngwana yena ha pa.
mo shebe
Ke
o itrekile hore
nahana fela. Sifiso sizokuwe. Imagine wena
Sifiso.
uyasasanga le strata.
hello
Amakhamera.
Sifiso.
Ngize nama-camera
Hello.
because of Sifiso awusupport umntwana.
Sifiso wena
usemalini ulesela amakhamera
wena support umntwana.
Ugqoke i-Nike wena ugqokile yonke into nje wena uhlezi u-right uyadla umntwana yena kahle.
Sifiso gore bothata ba hawking wa sa support ngwana.
Angisayi ukuthi
o tsapa gore ngolletse hore ha o support ngwana ene taba yena ha e dule hantle le yena.
ha o le botsamaya
O re botsa maka ka
so wa
tsela
botse story ka
Ngwana
ofela
kula mabanyana mo ke mo founela ke re kopa a re romele ngwana di-mats le di-eng ha gabe ha hona nix a etsang.
Sifiso mathata ha o keng sa support ngwana ha kana
hayi tana ukuthi ngemsupport kimi uthini
dlala amadayisi batshele
amadayisi ngiyawadlala uwadlala ne but then ayikuthi ngisupport umntana ngeke ngihlule kusupport
keng
umntana
bothata re jotse bothata he
first things first ne before athi ukhulelwe ngomntanami
yeah
bekabhizi nomunye umjida
hayi bo
Awusimbali.
sinamanga ngitshela ukuthi umngani wami nje loyo
lalela ngikhuluma ngisho bakulalela bekabhizi nomunye umjida yabo then yena lo mjida loyo uze after mina ane
Uze after wena.
yeah uze after mina but then bekangakakhulelwa yena by the time
Okay.
ane
Yeah.
then uthe makaya kuye bena bese ngazi already ukuthi khona umuntu abhizi naye
siso namanga ngicela ukukhuluma iqiniso unamanga ngeke ngiyekele because manje ukhuluma manga because sivumelane ngomntwana but manje wena
So manje wena unojola le motho.
nekusajolele motho oswaga like
Ke tsala eng jwale guys? Kopa re bue like guys kopa no tshena re bue nnete hore re kgone ho thusa
ke
ngwana.
chomi yaka ya wa mtseba that guy and what's about ke chomi yaka ke le ka mmotsa yena bothatha na le trust issues
Abutisifiso hle.
ungaba nomngani owumfana by that time
So when-
sleep over
Sleep ka
angeke ulale
Guys, okay.
ungayenzi
hayi bo
Guys ke a utlwa story sa
Nkhuluma
lona mara ha ke utlwe hore hobaneng wena o sa support ngwana. Ke a utlwa sleep over like
the reason why ngasupport umntana ne I'm not certainly sure ukuthi lo mntana lo mntanami yabo
kanjani.
so khona ukhuluma lezinto manje
yeah cause
mawubona ama-camera manje khona ukhuluma lezinto lezi wena
yabo lento ayenza manje
Oh, kahle
akukaza
kahle
yenze
kahle kahle mina
Mara-
ngisifebe hele handle
Hayi, lelo gama lela
mina
ngisho.
ngilala le ke robala le batho nna hele
usongo kanjalo lalela
That's what you're trying to say because manje uthi mina ngilala nabantu aba different and ngilale nawe and
Mina ngisi-
ubaba mntana
mina ngithe kuye ane if umntana wami mina ngayibhadalela i-DNA test ngitest ukuthi
DNA
umntana
test.
wami. Yeah cause mina ngikho sure ukuthi umntana wami.
DNA so meaning o batla gore ke robala nna but it's fine re ka yetsa
Hale handle kopo botsa
fine,
potso
re tla
ena
etsa.
because back and forth like ha re thole solution. Ngwana o le motse kae?
o na le one year no
So 1 year go fela abutisifiso.
imagine ana ngwana swa high the whole one year
Kore ha ona next kile etsetsa ngwana like hasale ele like an absent father. O etsa
like this guy shama ona next yetsa and to be honest nna ke amrata sham ke amrata I don't mind re ka lokisa but ke batla support ngwana
abutisifiso ga utlo bapala madaisi.
o re ke ngo support motho mong
hayi angijudi mina yazi ngisithandela imali
asazi
Thandela imali. Okay fine. How ithandela mali ke?
imali oh
Ngwana,
so
guys.
mina awunendaba nomntana
nginendaba nomntana
Mara utsa akusiyeni wakho mos.
yeah mako wami ngizomsupporta cause then akukaza lethu umntana ekhaya yena ngokwakhe
ngizoletha kanjani umntwana
umuntu makakhulelwe uyaletha isisa
So wena uthole kanjani ukuthi ukhulelwe lo?
yena bekangitshela efonini obvious into
And then it
esefonini
ended there.
azangeza yeah
Guys.
azangeza kimi
Haletsi justice for ngwana like
o tlatla jang motho nga sana a senang interest le ngwaneng o tlatla jang o ya ko ha bona o like o tlatsa jang dilo tse so
So like nna kopa ho botsa like one question, what's the way forward because ngwana no tjena hloka batswadi ba hae, ngwana wa hola, ngwana tlamehile ya sekolong, maintenance nka se etse ntho tsena le one o le teng o le ntate wa hae. Bona qoka manaik manje.
cabanga uqoka mana
mina angimind ngumsupport umntana yabo
no it's fine o go swaka ne letsa DNA
Let's
yeah I
DNA.
think you're the option
asingayenza i-DNA inkinga yikho ngeke ngimind ukusupport umntana
Okay.
yeah
So yeah, guys, lutlile from bona. Osimbali galebo upti sfiso for nako ya hao. Osimbali ga tla go attend like there's still so many things that we're going to talk about. So koporemele fela basing and then we're going to come back to you.
okay
Ausitshapang so wena since o tlile from your baby daddy o re ha tshepe hore ngwana kwa hae and o hloka di DNA test and wena o dumetse hore le kana la etsa DNA test, are you sure it's something that you want to do?
it's fine to be honest ke thotse clarity go etsa la engwa support ngwana but hape ke happy ka ntho e etsaetseng gore a re ngwana a se wa hae re tseba hantle ngwana kwa hae but it's fine re tla etsa DNA test
Jwale ka taba tsa body sleep over hore o etsa la eng, so like is it telling the truth?
story no is not
Yeah,
ke
yeah.
story fela like o batla tsa the excuse
Yeah,
but it's fine ke shomi yaka and lena wa mtsebo but
So
it's fine
so manje wena o feel jwang, like did we help you enough to get the clarity that we needed as Regination TV or
honestly yes I got clarity ne ke batla ne ke a leboha guys le nthusitse haholo
Okay, awesome Bali. Thank you for nako ya hao ne. Thank you for recontact and we hope hore go thusitse haholo the way you needed. So like yeah. So from now Thank you so much for contact. I hope who to see there and to see the clarity that you needed. So like yeah, I hope le ba sharp for the sake of ngwana and ngwana ke the reason like I hope le ba sharp.
Yeah,
Because because like I can see you just by looking at you how sharp about the whole situation, and I hope you heal, man.
Thank you.
I hope you guys fix things and the little DNA test alona and yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much for contacting us. You can go to the bus and thank you so much. Yo guys, Leutila from Austrapang hore the story sa baby daddy high. I hope Utola the clarity she needs because tabayena ke tabe kholo nahana baby daddy ha supporting ngwana o bizu jala madaise kana go na le ngwana and the next thing ore ngwana se wa high empa ha re tsebe. So stay tuned. O little thola hore like ngwana ke ngwana high because we're still waiting for the DNA results. They're still gonna go and do the DNA. So like yeah, stay tuned guys. Thank you so much.